Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This is part 4. I might do one more on how to assemble it. I first said I wasn't going to share the file, but if you want to email me, I'll send you the file. Because I drew it totally myself, and it's my file now, and I didn't really copy. I just copied this guy's idea. I actually put the opening of the heart on the other side. So there it is. You can barely see the line. The drawer opens up. If I was to make another one, on this one piece, I would put a finger hole to pop the card out. Or before I send you the file, I might move this a little further so the door opens up a little bit more. You never really know. Now, in this one, I use magnets and a lock. The lock worked pretty well. The lock worked excellent, but I was afraid that at some point the lock might wear out and be too loose. You know, even though it's a gift card, so you can see what's happening. The black line goes in there locked, but I added some 1/4-inch magnets. So if you don't want to do that, you can just take your virtual segment delete key and delete those magnet holes on both copies. I'm going to put them back so I can save them, but they're that easy. They're 1/4-inch rare earth magnets. It opened pretty well, and you can see the locking mechanism, the magnets. I actually put the magnets right at the edge, and I also offset them. So it kind of like picks the wood up a little bit, maybe giving a little bit more tightness. There's the slide. Here's the magnets when it's close up, and here's when it's open. So I would maybe, you know what, I can't really extend the knots. I might extend this opening device so that, you know, you can see it opens, but a little less than half the card is visible. But it came out pretty good. I'm happy with it. Now it's not a lot of work. Pretty big sheet of 1/8-inch plywood. You want to use plywood because it's stronger. This has 4 layers, top, bottom, and the 2 middle pieces, and then the sliding mechanism. But if you really want to build it, email me, and I'm going to make another part, the last one of this series, on how to glue it together, because there's a couple of things you need to think about. And I might even go ahead and add that finger hole at this time before I send the file out, but I will make it open a little bit more. And, you know, you really never know till you physically have it in your hand how far it's going to open. It does work, and the card flips out. And if you are going to make it, before I forget, maybe measure your card to make sure your gift card will fit in there. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.